Hello, my project is a web application. It's browser server architecture. It's like the Amazon online shopping system. Like use Amazon.com, I can access an Amazon website and buy something. For example, I first run my service. Okay, after the service started, I can use the link. The link is localhost 8080. The link is 8080. So I can create a new tab and access my website. Yes, there is 4 items is in my database. There's 4 items in my database, and I use the ID is 19 as an example. His name is the iPhone 20 Pro. I can click the purchase. The first function is access the detail page. I can click the purchase. I can browse the detail page. And I can click the purchase to create the order. Okay, order is created. After create the order, I think the available stock will -1. I can refresh it. Okay, the available stock is -1 and the log stock is 1. Means the log stock means there is 1 items need to be paid, but I haven't paid. So I can click the check order detail. It's created, but not but waiting to someone paid. So I can pay it. When I paid, the log stock will -1. Okay, let me check. Okay, the order shows that it's pay and waiting delivery. I refresh my my Circle database. Okay, the log stock is become to the 0. Somebody paid this item. The function is to add a new items on my website. For example, I also use the web link to the certain web. It's like certain service. I can use the add second queue activity to my the first function. Okay, this is my first function. Add a new item. I can create item name test and ID. I can create 100. Now price I can create origin price. Only 10 left in my stock, and start time I can set now and tomorrow 20 hours to grab it. I submit this item to my web page. Okay. After that, I can check is there successfully creating a new item in my web page. I can refresh my website. Yes, there is new one in my website, and I can still check my database. Yes, there is a test in my database. After that, there's a problem I also solved in my program is I use the Reddit and use the Reddit service and the Rocket MQ service to reduce the load of the database. From my knowledge, my Circle, the max ability of it can deal 10,000 records per second, like the select or update. So when this online shopping system fits to the worldwide, not worldwide, just nation, US people, it's more than 10,000 uh, uh, access per second. So it's need to be reduced the load. So the Redis service is the best choice for this problem. Redis can reload and access the database and copies the database record to the Redis service. And the Redis service can combine the several command line to one command line, like it have the property named atomic. It's atomic. It cannot be interrupted or um, cannot be interrupted with other people, other service, other method or same service. So I define my service in the Redis service. And there I use the LUA script language to combine them together. Yes. After that, my program can achieve the high concurrency ability. There is a simple test named geometry pressure software. Because my software is the latest version, so I from the earlier I record my test. In this test, I still test ID19. ID19 only with 10 items available. If without the Redis service, we can check it. There is 10 available stock. And now it's without the Redis service. And aside the local host and aside the 19 item and use the HTTP request and restart the service. I remember I cite 100, yes, 100 number threads, and each thread gets this item 10 times. After setting, I can start it. Okay, it shows more than 10 items has been reduced, sold. Yes, far more than 10 items has been sold. It's big mistake. So after that, after using the Redis, we can check the different result. Now we can find that util package is already have the Redis service class. And there is LUA script already set. So it's still 100 thread and 10 times clear the output of the terminal console. And recheck the database. There is still 10 available stock. So after that, I run. Yes, there is only 10 items has been sold, no more than 10. It's very exciting. So the result shows we successfully control the oversales from my online shopping system. From my level 2 diagram, we can show that after we call the order and create the order, and we can cross the Redis scheduling service. After scheduling, I also use the RocketMQ service. RocketMQ service is a message-oriented middleware. It's like the people keeps agree and everybody follow step by steps, not it's every access, not in one moment crash, one moment too many people access website. Is separate the access, the request to every level. This is my project. Thank you.